Okay, I woke up, I don't know, kasi I slept early, so I woke up like, I don't know, with this 3 o'clock thing, nagigising ako pag maaga ako natutulog. Uh, and I'm training heavily here in Makati, baka yung ibang places, bahana. Anyway, so let's talk about this, no? I just wanna, tama dito si Sas. Ayoko na sana sumaksaw sa politics, no? Ayoko na talaga because for me, it's a waste of time because, I mean, politics cannot feed me. Um, kung merong magbabayad sa akin, why not? Dahil mukha naman akong pera, di ba? Pero you know what, they cannot feed me. So, I had skipped on talking about politics or against BBM or Pro Duterte or ganito or whatever. Listen to Sas. Alam nyo kasi tayo, no? Masyado totoo yung sinasabi ni Sas na mataas ang ego natin. We could be highly intelligent people, but the problem is you're not wise. Tandaan niyo yung sinabi ko. You can be super intelligent, but you are not wise. Okay? Meaning, matalino ka, defend ka na defend sarili mo, kaya mo, yes. Pero ang tanong doon, is it wise to defend yourself all the time and waste your money and effort by just defending yourself? What? To prove na tama ka sa buong mundo? To have that ego of yours na, hoy, ako parati akong tama so wag niyo ako kontrahin. So, just listen to it. Then I'll cut one by one.
Kayo, malapit na kayo maging next yung Ray. Nag-aaway-aaway pa kayo.
Exactly! Yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Kaysa dick pic ni PRRD ang pag-usapan natin. Alam mo ba yun, yung dick pic ni PRRD, yung kwento ni Maharlika? Na yung kabit daw ni PRRD, binababi daw si PRRD dahil pinapakita raw yung dick pic ni PRRD sa mga tao, nilalako daw, ganyan.
Diba yung tinan mo yung yung ni action ni Sas Rugando, no? You know, he's a very intelligent person. I believe ako sa kanya. Hindi siya pumapatol basta-basta. Hindi siya madaldal, hindi siya unga na unga. Pero pag salita siya, straight to the point and with the point. Yun ang importante doon. Okay? Imagine mo sabi niya yung mga dick pic. Who cares about it? Kung pinakita yung yung burat ni Duterte na kumakalat, who cares about it? Di ba?
Sige nga, parang will that help your
Is this an information that we need in our lives?
Exactly.
Sabi ko, bakit mag-away-away, girl? Wala yung patutubuhan. Hindi nyo magagapi ang gusto nyong magapi dahil mas marami silang, una-una, mas marami silang pera, mas united sila dahil lahat sila united sa pagkamkam. Kayo, ano nyo na eh? Ay, nag-away kayo. Kayo nag-away kayo kung sino totoong Duterte supporters. Mga bakla, kung ako, hindi mo nakikita na kung ganyan ang makikita ng kalaban nyo, na ganyan ang takba ng utak ninyo, tingin ninyo. Yeah, sabi ko, mga bakla. You don't show your enemies your weakness. Mga bakla yan lang. Yan lang nag-aaway na kayo.
That is exactly the reason why. That is exactly the reason.
See, tama sabi ni Sas. Don't show your enemy your weak spot because doon kanya papatayin, doon kanya titirahin. Which these people, katulad nito ni what's his name? Si Joey Cruz. Alam mo si Joey Cruz, matalinong tao, pero the problem with her, madali mapikon. It goes to her head na, no, I'm the brightest, I'm the greatest. So, for me, yun ang mali niya. Yun ang mali niya. Hindi lang si Joey, no? Yung si Princess Maui, puta na guess, ano naman yan? Wala namang binatbat talaga yan. Di ba? bobita naman yon, di ba? Si Sas talaga, yan yung matalino. Si Maharlika, isa rin emosyonal, di ba? Alam mo minsan, noong una tutuwa kay Maharlika eh. Pero lately, yung para bang, wala na bang bago? Para bang dada ka ng dada, parati kang galit. Yung para bang, ano ba message mo sa Filipino people? Which is di-discuss mamaya ni Sas.
Why I am enraged. Kasi parang,
Tapos naglaban. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanya, tapos na naman. Oh, let's be real. Kung kayo, ilagay niyo yung sarili niyo sa sapatos ng mga kalaban. Tapos ang laban. Mga bakla, para lang yung basketball. Nag-aaway-aaway yung mga players dahil hindi sila magkasundo dahil sino ba mas magandang news.
Sa totoo lang, yung talaga pagandaan ng news. Sabi ni Charmaine, it's not about the relationship with Hanilet, but the alleged Alcantara being spy on Duterte. Alam mo, ito
Spy Nino! Inaano ko si Spy Nino! Alam niyo ganito?
Ni Maharlika.
Hindi ganito lang yan. Tapos na yung laban. Tapos na yung laban. Ganun na kasimple yun. The laban. Ganito lang yan. Away yan ng mga babae sa buhay ni PRD. Period. Wala na. Tell that to Maharlika. Wala ka pang sabihin, bahala na kayo sa buhay ninyo. That's, ako, sinasabi ko sa inyo, tapos na ang laban. Hindi na kayo mananalo sa kanila. It's not gonna work. Ganun na kasimple yun. O, kita ninyo, bakit akong tinanggal sa FB? Hindi ako siya pasada sa away. Sintinira kayo. Dahil kayo, ginagawa ninyo, yung mga pag-aaway ninyo, dininipay yung mga tao. O, di ba?
It's not
laban.
problem.
May point na naman si Sas doon. Ba't siya lang tinanggal? Kasi, ginagamit nga ito sila Joey, sila Maui, si Maharlika, para pagsabong-sabungin. Which is, pumatol naman itong tatlo. Di ba? So, let's listen to Sas.
Yun yung problem dun sa, kaya you have to put away yung mga taong nagde-divide. Yung ganon.
Hindi nga. The more, Joey,
No, Sas, no. It is not as if na, kami, opposing,
Madilipat siya yung tao.
Ano?
Tapos mag-aaway ngayon yung mga followers. Divided pa rin. Ganito na naman sinabi mo. Let's move on. This is not important. And then
Oo nga. Wait. The mere fact that you are going to do something like that, the division is inevitable. Yun yung point. Kaya kino-call out siya na huwag niyang ituloy yung gagawin niya dahil that would lead to division.
Hayaan mo nga siya. Yun na nga eh. It's already divided. You do not defeat a tornado by feeding the tornado. Girl, you cannot defeat a tornado.
Tama yung sinasabi ni Sas again. You cannot defeat a tornado by another tornado.
By feeding the tornado, what you do is, okay, let the tornado pass. Because, tapos na ang laban.
Okay yun, Sas eh. But we are in the middle of for example, ito lang ha. For example, yung mga ganong klaseng ginagawa niya na talaga sobrang divisive na mga activities. Sakto sa butangan ng impeachment to ni VP Sara.
Wala na nga, tapos na nga, girl. Tapos
hindi na. Kaya we have to point it out so that everybody would know. Because how can we
Joey people know. Do not assume that the people are stupid. They know.
They do.
They know.
Another thing. Tama yung sinabi Sas. Ang pili kasi nito nila Joey na parang sila lang yung mga matatalino. Sila lang yung mga bright. And the people listening are stupid. That's ego. Yun ang sinasabi ni Sas eh. Egoistic kayo masyado eh. Feeling nyo tanga yung crowd. Tanga yung nakikinig sa inyo. Katulad ko, ako din ako nakikinig sa inyo dahil lahat pinagsabi nyo lately, mga bullshit na lang eh. Kayo nag-aaway, di ba?
Hindi.
Hindi nga, wala ka na itong magagawa. You do not convince other. Ito, matigas yung ulo mo, Joey.
Oo talaga. Lalo na pag ako
Yun na nga. Yun na nga sinasabi ko. Kung may mas malaking laban, kahit anong mangyari dyan, do not focus on the goal. Ngayon, na-sideline na kayo lahat. O di wala na. Yung mga natao nakikinig sa inyo, Joey, take it from me. I've been there, done that, been there. Yung mga nakikinig sa inyo, wala na yung gana. Trust me. Kung sa tingin ninyo,
Tama. Ako wala na ako talagang gana sa kanila manood. Na ano lang ako dito dahil nga nagtalo na si Sas saka si Joey. Usually magkakampi ang dalawang yan eh. Pero ngayon, talaga siguro hindi na mapigilan ni Sas dahil yung pagtatantrum ni Joey, naalala mo yung nag-away sila ni Maui o ano, nawala si Sas, di ba? Kasi ayaw yung pumatol doon, ayaw sumagsa sa yung being palingkera ni Joey. Yun yung point doon.
both sides, kung sa tingin ninyo, yung mga taong nakikinig sa inyo ay lalong maniniwala sa pinaglalaban ninyong mas malaki, they won't. They don't. They have other lives. Yun ang katotohanan dyan.
Correct. Lahat kami may other lives. Lahat kami nagtatrabaho, lahat kami kailang mabuhay, lalo na sa ekonomiyang bullshit na to. Di ba? Na lahat naghihirap, baksak ang real estate, baksak lahat with this government. At tapos, buti nga, tinigil pa yung implementation ng EDSA eh. Ng EDSA rehabilitation. You know how much havoc that would create? You know? So, anyway, let's listen.
Do not think that your followers are stupid and that they will just say na, sige, lalaban kami para sa kinabukasan. Walang ganun. Pag nakita nila na yung mga taong nasa front lines ay nag-aaway-away, Bex, you lost your audience, you lost your troops. As simple as that. Kahit mag-away-away pa kayo na, ay hindi, si Maharlika mali. Ikaw naman sabi mo, ay si Maharlika mali. Mali. Walang pakialam dyan ang followers kung sinong mali at tama. Pag nakita na nila ang dalawang nag-aaway, wala na yan. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, the battle has been lost even before there is a war. So,
Correct naman sinabi ni Sas dyan. No? Wala na. Parang dalawang palingkera naglalaban. Do you think we have all the time in the world to watch dalawang palingkera o tatlong palingkera nag-aaway araw-araw, nagbubutak-tak? Di ba? We have to use our time in a more fruitful way wherein we're gonna, benefit from it or earn from it or to be educated by it. Yung away nyo, wala talaga yon. Nothing. Walang pera, walang benefit, walang education. Kung hindi yung egoistic nyo ng pagtatantrum nyo na feeling nyo kayo lahat sikat. Lahat kayo great. Di ba? Kayo na, lagyan na natin kayo corona. Kayo na yung Miss Universe. Pwede yun naman yun eh. Di ba? Pero yung pagtatantrum, oh my God. Tama si Sas dito. May point talaga siya.
and hindi na natin alam, no? Maybe yung kabila nagsisid ng kaguluhan. Malaking chance na baka meron sa kalaman. May nagsisid. Malaki ang kutob ko dyan. Na
Exactly. And
yun na, kaya nga if you know na merong ganun nga na nagsisid, kung patulan, yun gusto nga nila patulan mo Patulan ninyong lahat. Wala
hindi,
na.
ganito, okay, may I?
Okay.
Kasi ganito, tawag dito, it is not as if it is a random thing Yung sinasabi mo, Sas, that is my mantra. And this has been going on for quite some time.
Kaya
Ngayon,
nga. Yun na nga.
Wait, let me finish. Ngayon, itong nangyayari na to, if we're not going to call it out, and we are just, alam nga natin, nagtatanim na seed, alam na nga natin, tumutubo na yung seed. Ganon. And if we are not going to do anything about it, those plants are going to, those creeping plants are going to
it's already, actually,
That's
Hindi, Joey.
Joey, wait, no. Tapusin ko lang. Okay. Tapusin ko lang. Kasi, itong mga to, naglalabasan na nga, it's overtaking us already. So ngayon, kami dito, hindi na rin kami makagalaw dito. Hindi na rin kami makaano dito. So ngayon, ibig ko sabihin, I don't think na parang, I'm so sorry, no, but I am not that kind of person who's just going to sit back and relax and watch all of us lose the battle.
Yeah, and they know that, Joey. Let's make everyone battle to this mantle, and then magkakagulo na sila. O ngayon, ito lang, masabihin ko lang both, I will address both sides, Joey and whoever, Marlica, Maui. So tingin nyo ngayon, regardless kung sinong tama at mali, do you really think that the followers...
What made you think that this side of the house is not doing an ops also? That this is random and there's no strategy? What made you think like that?
Wala akong sinasabing ganyan, Joey.
Hindi nga. Kasi ibig ko sabihin, hindi to linear. Hindi to linear. This is also a well-thought reaction.
Yeah, girl, even
linear.
Hindi nga, Joey. Sino ba yung kalaban? You don't attack foot soldiers. Kung ang tingin mo, ang nag-ops, ay si Tambi, ganyan, you attack Tambi, you don't attack the foot soldiers. That's
Tama.
That's not how, ayun na nga.
Pero who is benefiting sa ginagawa
Ito kasi
niya?
Joey, Ito Joey. I know that you're an intelligent person, but the thing is, you are very new to this. Lahat, ayan nga, inaano ko, bahala kayo. If you think that what you're doing is going to succeed, go ahead. Basta ako, sinabihan ko na kayo.
Oo.
Pero ako, sinabihan.
And I also have my appreciation of what I should do.
Ayun na nga.
Sino ba?
Ano doon?
Nakita niyo yung reaction ni Joey? Yung para bang pinagpipilit niya pa rin na tama yung ginagawa niya. You know what? If you can be intelligent and not wise. I'll go back again. If you are wise, even though you're not intelligent, you will listen to the other party. You will hear them and analyze it. Digest it and realize and draw up a conclusion or a plan. Tama ba to? Tama ba yung sinabi niya? Na pangit ako, bobo ako. You have to listen to criticism. Hindi pinagtatanggol yung sarili nyo parate. Which makes you bobo. Than a person who is wise, who is not even educated. Yun yung point ko.
Sabi ko naman sa iyo na if you think na yung ginagawa ninyo, magtatagumpay kayo dun sa mas malaki mong laban, go ahead. Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, the battle has already been lost before you went to war. No? And why do you think na ang mga sundalo pag nasa gera ay sinasideline ang mga bagay na maliliit at away-away ng mga sundalo? Because the platoon will be broken. Ngayon, wala kayong platoon. Ito lang sabihin ko, you don't have money. You don't have means of organization.
Which is correct.
All you have is unity of your voices. That voices is already broken. Even if you call out, na hindi, ito kasi nauna, ito kasi ganito nauna.
That's not the situation kasi. That's not really how
situation?
Okay? Kasi parang, hindi naman siya yung parang, it's just me who's feeling this. Of course,
yung defensive ni Joey na ayaw magpatalo, yan ang mali niya matalino sana pero parating gusto niya siya yung tama, parang feeling niya, no, malusot ako to through circumvent the ideas and the discussion. Nasusupalpal talaga siya dito ni Sas.
This is not linear. Okay, that's one thing. This is not linear. That's for sure. Okay? That is for sure. This is a well-assessed problem and it's being attacked layer by layer. So this is not just me being
Wala,
me.
hindi ko naman sinasabi ni Joey na it's just you. Sinasabi ko, your strategy is incorrect. Ngayon, if you think na your strategy is correct, and di maghintay na lang tayo sa finals. Tingnan natin kung magtagumpay kayo sa pinaglalaban ninyo. Ako, sinasabi ko lang naman na you will not succeed with your greater fight with this kind of things going on. Wala na. It's lost.
Hindi talaga magsasucceed whether, if you're going to allow this to happen.
You are not mali kasi ang konsepto mo ng allow. Ang konsepto mo ng allow is condone. Ang sinasabi natin dyan, you let it pass, hayaan mo silang mapagod, and people will know exactly where to go. Kasi ngayon, you are two different kinds of tornado that will divide the wind into two different directions. Wala na, yan na yung mangyayari dyan. Yung sinasabi mo, this is not non-linear, maraming kumikuris, that's not how non-linearity works, Joey. Your approach is linear because this is the problem, we will attack the problem. Oh.
Hindi rin siya ganon.
Paano ginagawa niyo? Ano ginagawa ninyo? Anong sa inyong ginagawa ninyo?
Dinibay na naman niya. Pinagtanggol na naman niya. So, makita mo yung, alam mo, marami na ako na-meet ng mga ganitong tao, no? Yung ay magpatalo. Maraming ganyan. Not only Joey, but a lot of Filipinos are sometimes the problem with us, we're too fucking egoistic. Ayaw natin magpatalo, ayaw natin magpa-correct, ayaw natin magpa-criticize. You know what? You have to think about it. What will it benefit you? Listening to criticism, listening to our mistake, and admitting our mistake is a step ladder to success and wisdom. Tandaan nyo yon.
So you don't see a problem and you don't attack the problem head on. Yun yung mga nangyayari?
It's being addressed. But, the problem is not as simple as that.
Pero yun na nga, Joey. The proof of the pudding of what you're doing is see what is happening to the wind. Kayong lahat na nakikipaglaban kay PRRD. The proof of what you're doing is look at what's going on to the wind. Anong nangyayari? Ngayon, the wind...
Kasama nga yun sa dinidescribe. Kasama nga yun sa ina-explain. Ganito kasi sa...
Hindi nga, Joey.
Hindi naman lahat ng audience, same page tayo. I do not know, no? Kasi...
Hindi nga, Joey, lahat ng audience, same page. Ang page natin, meron tayong pinaglalaban. Ang pinaglalaban natin lahat, ayaw natin sa BPM. Alam yan ang kalaban na everyone, despite of their differences, yun ang target. Ngayon, kung ako sila BBM, gagawin ko mismo ang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. And they have all the capacity to devise, pay, organize, etc. and plan better than you because for the simple reason that they have money and more organized. So do not think that what you're doing with your less money and less organization is better than them.
Tama.
Let's just get real. Simple. So ngayon, and I'm addressing everyone, you don't have money. You don't have organizational. All you have is your passion.
Correct.
Do you know how the best way to defeat passion? And that is to actually do exactly this. Wala kayong peta, wala kayong organization. O di, gagawin ko, di magtanim na lang ako ng kung anong mga dapat kong tanimin dyan hanggang kumagat silang lahat. At pag kumagat silang lahat, sila nang mag-aaway-away. And because of that, everyone na nanonood sa inyo, your audience, their audience, kayong mga lahat ng mga vlogger kayo, you will be divided like how Moses divided the Red Sea. And because it's divided, Moses and his follower were able to pass through the sea unscathed.
Tama.
Ganun lang kasimple yan. Mag-survey kayo sa mga followers ninyo. Ano ba? Ano nangyayari? Eh di ang nag-aaway-away na kayo, wala na yan, hindi na makikinig yan. Nangyari na yan noon before. Yung mga ganito-ganitong away-away na ganito na
Nangyari.
eh di ang nag-aaway-away na kayo, wala na yan, hindi na makikinig yan. Nangyari na yan noon before. Yung mga ganito-ganitong away-away na ganito na
Nangyari na yan before. Hindi nga naiintindihan ng tao kasi nga nobody's explaining it.
Hindi naman
naiintindihan
hindi na naintindihan ng mga tao. At si Joey talaga, ano feeling mo? Bobo kami? Diba? Oh my God.
Joey ng tao. Naiintindihan
The
ba ng
point is happening again.
It's happening.
Diba?
Hindi nga.
Naiintindihan ng tao.
Nangyayari. Joey, nangyayari to uli ngayon because ang hindi natutunan na lesson is to learn to control your ego. That is the greatest lesson
That's why
here.
you have to.
So yun ang hindi natutunan. Ngayon, pag yun ang
Kaya nga eto, sinasabi mo.
Hot
Ito
chocolate.
kasi Sas, no? Ito sinasabi mo. Nangyari na to before. And I agree. At paulit-ulit to.
Tama yung sinabi ni Sas. It boils down to the point. Actually, yung mahaba lang to, no? Pero the bottom line is, you cannot control your freaking ego. Ego, yan ang nakakasama parati sa tao. Yan ang nagpapahirap sa inyo. Or sa atin. Yung ego na yan. Yung katarantaduang ego na yan na kailan tayo parating bida. Kailan tayo parating sikat. Kailan parati tayong pag may na-ahead sa atin, naiinis tayo. That's the side of the devil. The ego is really yan yung magpapabaksak sa katauhan natin.
Oh, paulit-ulit to. I agree. Nangyari na to dati, nangyari na to noon, ino-operate, ganyan. But sa totoo lang, yung sinasabi nyo kasi the audience know. No, the audience do not know. Kasi nga, bakit siya nangyayari again and again? Kasi people cannot identify niya.
mali naman, Joey. Hindi mo naman naintindihan.
People cannot
Hindi mo naman
identify.
naintindihan sa sinabi ko na audience doon. Sinasabi ko,
Wait lang, Sas. Naintindihan kita.
Hala kayo.
Kaso,
there is no amount of Joey, what you're doing right now is you are just trying to defend what you're doing. That is not the point of this discussion. The
Tama.
point of this discussion is you have already lost the larger battle.
Tama.
Now,
it
if you
is already. Because the seed has already been planted.
hindi nga, it's not because the seed has been planted. What? The battle has been lost because all of you ate the bait.
Tama.
Simple. Ngayon,
Kasi
Ngayon,
people do not recognize the bait. Yun yung problem. And it is
Sino-
going to, they're going to
Hindi
bait
nga,
us
ganito nga,
again,
Joey.
again and
Ganito
again.
nga, Joey. Ganito nga, Joey. And every one of you. If you think that there is a bait, all of you address it privately with each other.
Tama.
Mag-usap-usap.
It was done, Sas. It was done.
Ayun na nga. Ayun na nga.
Pero hindi
Ngayon,
nga siya nag-pan out.
Ayun nga. Ngayon, ganito nga. Kung hindi nag-pan out doon, let it be. Let it pass.
Huwag mo na patulan.
And that is
Ngayon,
where I depart. That I agree with
Ayun
what
na
you
nga.
said.
Ayun na nga ang problema, Joe. Ay, bahala ka, Joey. Ayun na nga. If you think that what you're doing right now, na okay, ganito, ganyan, and even on the other side, kung sa tingin ninyo, kayo ni Maharlika, kayo ni Maui, ganyan, kung sa tingin ninyo, that is what's going, now what you're doing is going to actually make this, the cause stronger, go ahead. But the thing is, the proof of your success is not whether you are able to address this in public. Both of you. Ganun kasimple yan. Bala kayo, di nakawi na lahat. Bala kayo, yun ang sinasabi ko, no? You don't have money. You don't have an organization.
Exactly.
You don't have a leader. Sino ba leader ngayon?
Okay. Ganito. Tama ka doon.
Hindi nga, Joey, ang sinasabi ko na walang lead, ang sinasabi ko na walang leader, the other group is a leader. They have a leader, they have BBM. These are the major strategizer na pag nagsalita, kung meron mang mga taong nag-aaway dyan, they can patch it out. Now, wala. O, di wala kayo ngayon. Bahala kayo. Di ba? That is the point. Yun na nga. Winawasa. Bahala kayo.
Okay, okay. I understand what you are saying. Okay? And I understand na ito, mangyayari to, ganyan. But, kasi, this is where we depart. Okay? Yung presumption kasi na, hindi alam yan ng audience, hindi ano yan, ganyan. Hindi nga yun yung ano kasi paulit-ulit nga siya.
Joey, you misunderstood what I said, alam niya ng audience.
So anyway, that's how I understood what you were saying, na alam yan ng audience, alam nila kung sila pupunta next time, there are 2 tornadoes, whatever, ganyan. Gets ko yun. Okay? Gets ko yun. Then, I know you think that I am doing this head-on. To a certain extent, yes. I'm doing this head-on. Because, kailangan ma-recognize talaga natin to, yung mga ganitong situation. Kailangan ma-recognize talaga to. Kailangan talagang pag-usapan to. Kasi pag hindi natin to pinag-usapan, later, kasi ganito ha, for me, important yung ganito, yung call-out na ganyan, yung, kailangan ma-recognize natin yung mga ganitong etchos, ganyan. Kasi, later on, people would be able to determine kung ano ba yung mga dapat nilang i-watch out, yung mga ganong bagay. Ako kasi, hindi mo sinasabing bobo yung audience mo, hindi ano. But your audience would also know, you're also going to equip ganito lang yan, no? Example ko lang yung sa red tagging. What the NTF-ELCAC did doon sa red tagging situation. It was, being discussed na, ganito. Pagka meron silang mga ganito, what I can do and what I can contribute is that for this conversation to go.
Pinutol ko yung because this is taking too long. Baka mamaya umabot tayo ng 1 hour, no? Yung sinasabi naman niya pa ulit, defending herself, no? Alam niya rin yung sinasabi ni Sas, blah, 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 blah. So, let's listen to Sas again. I wanna hear Sas talk because she's full of sense, you know?
So that at least we would know how we are going to pinpoint things and make better in processing information. Because that's all I can do. I am just a vlogger. I can only impart to my audience how to process information. I have no parang idea na sa sarili ko na I can fix things, I can make this thing win, ganyan. We can bring down this administration, things like that. Wala akong ganong I know my limitation exactly. So ngayon, ako, ang kaya ko lang iambag dito is that for everyone to be able to more discerning in processing information, that's it. Yun lang yung kaya ko dyan. Ayun. Ganon. Close-minded sila lahat. Gusto nila magpalitan ng masasakit na salita at atakihin isa't isa. Sabi niya, well, something's gotta give. Sa totoo lang. Something's gotta give. Ganon. Ayun. Something's gotta give. Hindi po pwede na ganun kasi parate. Kaya nga dapat, meron tayong single intention here. Ngayon, kapag walang single intention, wala tayong common ground. Paano tayo mag-unify? Paano tayo mag-move forward? For me kasi, kailangan yun yung hanapin natin. Nakamute ka, be?
May common ground naman
Wali. May common ground. Ngayon wali. Ngayon panana.
May common ground. Ang common ground si PRD at yung nangyayari kay DP Sara.
But that's not, hindi nga yun yung pinagkakaabalahan niya.
Ayun na nga.
That's the
Kasi,
point.
kasi nga, kaya mahal ayaan nyo sila kung iba yung pinagkakaabalahan, mag-focus sila dun sa common ground. Eto nga yan, no? Well, di naman kita makukonvince dahil alam ko namang you're a very stern person, no?
Yes.
Ito lang yung masasabi ko. Sinasabi ko lang ang magiging consequence nito. Okay? And whether and if you ako naman, no, choose your own adventure if you think that
Yeah,
this will
exactly. Ganun.
yun na nga. Yun na ang inaano ko na choose
I cannot just, naiintindihan ko yung naiintindihan
Cut ko
ko.
muna.
For someone like me na hindi naman ako malaking content creator, sa totoo lang.
kayo magkasundo-sundo. Nagigets mo ba yon? That is now a new problem.
If you're not going to really get into the conversation, kaya importante yung conversation.
Yan sinasabi ko nga, Joey. Yung conversation mo yan, iba pang problema yan. Ngayon, may iba ng problema ngayon. Ang problema ngayon is paano mo ngayon i-address yung mga tao na hindi okay pa rin tayo makipaglaban-laban.
Tama.
Bakit naman, parang feeling ko hindi, I'm sorry, pero hindi ko nakikita ang problem yun. Kasi people are saying, hindi ko nakikita ang problem yun.
O hindi wala na ako masasabi.
No.
Hindi, wala na masasabi, Jo.
Nakita nyo kung kano yung katigas sa ulo ni Joey na hindi niya even ma-identify na she is part of the problem. That's the point.
Okay.
Oo.
Wala na masasabi. Eh, hindi naman pala problema sa inyo yun. Hindi problema rin sa kabila. O, hindi problema. Let's just pretend that that is not a problem.
Tama yung sinasabi ni Sas.
Kasi ganito, no? If you are saying na tawag dito na you just let it pass. But if you're just going to let it pass, it's gonna happen again and again. And nobody's going to learn. So sa akin kasi, it's
Let it pass. Why? How? You know, we're not stupid. Nag-aaway-away kayo parang palingkera dyan. Yun ang katotohanan doon. Diba? Ano gusto niyo ulit-ulitin yung mag-aaway niyong palingkera? Diba?
better to talk about it. Okay? Now,
And
meron
people
wait lang.
didn't learn.
If merong mga taong mawawalan ng gana, yeah, merong mga taong mawawalan ng gana. But if you continue on talking, if you continue putting it in public discourse, I think it's
Diba? Parang gusto niya talagang lumala pa yung laban. Gusto niya ituloy, gusto niya i-divide, gusto niya, hindi, kailangan yung away namin has to go on. Yan yung ano niya eh. Yan yung point niya eh. Kasi nabubuwisan sa kanya eh. Close friend niya pa naman to.
better to to put it out there and to engage people. Kasi at the end of the day, sasabihin na natin na ngayon natatoxican sila, ganyan, bakit panay-away, ganyan. At some point, they will understand eh. And for me, yun yung ganun klaseng appreciation yung important.
Ay, Miss Joey. At some point, people will understand. Understand what? Yung kabaliwan nyo? Guys, wala kaming panahon dyan. Understand. Bullshit.
Yung parang, I cannot understand this, alis muna ako, ganyan. And then, during na they are away, and they're going to get the, wind on this, there were really some realistic.
Ano yan? Jesus Christ? Magbabasa kami ng Bible and sooner we will realize that is the word of God.
That's gonna happen. Na, sige, parang, ganun nga yung nangyari, pero, nga, tama nga yun, ganyan. Kasama yan sa kasama yan dun sa pagmumuni-muni ng tao eh. Kasama yan sa pagmumuni-muni ng tao. So parang sa akin, hindi yun lost cause. Hindi yun lost cause na pag-usapan natin to, identify natin yung mga issues, ganyan. Pati yung emotion, including the emotion. So parang sa akin, kung sakali na parang, yung mga tao nawala ng gana, there's another problem, how can we get them back? They are just going to come back. I don't see it as a problem. They are just going to come back because at the end of the day, people would look for conversation to understand things more. Ayun.
Pero hindi yung totoo yon. People People wants to listen to somebody who will give us an education, an intelligent perspective of life. Hindi yung pagkakapalengkera nyo.
Actually, the people right now don't care about this problem.
Tama.
What they really care about is the future of the country. Yung
Tama
problema na yan, yung kay Hanalet, that is a chismis and whatever.
Tama.
The more that you address,
That's a kaya
hindi nga ganito nga.
But you have to listen to the conversation kasi yun nga yung sinasabi na
I don't- Joey, bakit nga kailangan yung tao is makinig doon sa conversation which is about chismis
Tama.
and the private life.
ang conversation niya is to not go there. Yun kasi ang conversation mo.
So yun na lang na, oy, let's not go there. Parang ganyan lang yung message.
Exactly. Yan nga sabi ko, kailangan natin malaman yung pag-uusap. Kasi nga, ang pinag-aawayan dito ay hindi naman siya hine-head on. Actually, hindi nga to head on eh. Kasi Maharlika is being called out to not talk about it. Okay? Several times. Kasi nagsasabi na siya, humanda na kayo, ganyan-ganyan. She's being warned. She's being informed. Please, wag natin pag-usapan yan. Let us not go there because it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good. And she has been called out several times to not go there. Okay? But anyway, she still went there. Three episodes of teleseries. Ganyan. And it happened again and again. So, what are we going to do? We just let it pass. So,
Yeah.
ngayon, mangyayari. Dahil wala namang consequences kay Maharlika,
Oh.
she's just going to do it again and again.
Let her.
Diba? So, yun. So, ngayon,
Let her do it. Ano problema mo? Alam ko may kaaway ako. Ngawa siya ng ngawa. Sabi niya, magnanako ako, mamatay tao ako. Do you think I have to react to that? Knowing na, alam ko, bullshit na pinagsabi niya? Di ba? I mean, just because sinasabi niya, I'm a murderer, na ulit, it will become true. Di ba? For me, okay, sige. Umanap ka ebidensya na murderer ako. Di ba? Asan yung ebidensya mo? Then file it in court. You do not entertain those bullshit people. Talking, anyway.
yun, parang maghahati, nag-aaway-away kayo. I think that is part of the growth of the public.
Really.
Kailangan yun
Growing, yung chismis nyo, di ba yung mukha ni Sas? Yung parang kung lang sabihin niya, bullshit ka.
pains yan eh. Kasi talaga, hindi mo pwede na gano'n na hayaan mo na lang yun, na kinall out ka na nga, ilang beses ka nang sinabihan na wag mo nang i-public yan eh. Pero pinablic mo pa rin. Diba? And then, what's gonna stop her from doing that in the future? Nothing. Because if you're just going to wait and, you don't fight tornado with tornado, diba? If you're not just going to do that, it's gonna happen again and again because there's no consequence for her. But if there is resistance,
Do you think Maharlika will listen to you? The more you are fueling the tornado, minsan yung utak mo rin, Joey, mahina. Kailan may resistance, di babanata ka uli ni Maharlika, paulit-ulit kayo, magbabatuan kayo non-stop hanggang mag-end of the world. Di ba? Just go, okay. Wag mo nang patulan and talk something with sense. That's it.
if there is conversation and we figure out na parang sige ganito, and that would also put other people who are watching this unfold na kapag ka merong ganitong nangyayari, magdadalawang isip na rin sila na parang, okay, so next time pala pag-uusapan natin yung mga personal matters ni PRRD, magdadalawang isip tayo.
Really?
Then that makes the conversation, the public discourse better.
Really?
Ganon. Ayun.
Okay. Wala na akong masasabi.
Ayun.
Wala siya masabi.
Yun yung sa akin dyan. Yun yung sa akin dyan. So,
Kumbaga, sumusuko na si Sas. Yung para bang, putaragis ka, ang dami natin pinag-usapan, wala pala tumatak sa utak mo. Di ba? Parang sabi ni Sas, It's a fucking waste of time.
No,
Wala
hindi. Oo. And for me kasi, this is dear to me. Kasi para sa akin, the public conversation is very important.
Alam mo, Joey, you're fucking selfish. Parating, para sa akin, it's all about you. The world doesn't revolve around you. I mean, ano hindi mo maintindihan doon?
Because that's going to be part of the public consciousness. An intelligent
Tatalino yung publiko dito.
Exactly. Tatalino yung publiko dito. Ngayon, pag yung publiko, yes, that's the word, but that's what we have doing with what you are writing. We talk about it, we discuss about it, we disagree about it. Diba? And then people started talking about international relations because we talk about it, we debate about it, we fight about it, and
Yeah,
it's
but this
like,
is...
oh, diba? So, yun. So, parang yun, sa akin, parang, I know part of this is you want to patch everyone and, I receive phone calls, sa totoo lang. For me to stop and na ganyan, na wag nang tirahin, ganyan. I receive phone calls. But for me, it cannot be without consequence. This has to stop. And if we really want to protect our country, let's protect our country. Kung ayaw natin ng ganito na mga usapan na dick pic ni PRRD, Maharlika has to stop. Hindi mo pwede na sasabihin natin, ay hindi, ang tawag dito, two storms brewing and the two storms fight. No, there has to be a consequence. Kapag someone is going to talk about this kind of, you have to put
Wala.
line with your content.
You know, it's useless.
You have to put line
to
with
stop.
your content. Let's fight. I'm going to fight with you shoulder to
Ito, no? I don't think so. Look at SAS. Wala na talagang... Alam mo, well, na-experience ko rin so many times yan. I talk to people. I make them realize. I dissect the problem. Ito yung problema natin. Ito kailangan solusyon dyan. Ito problema. Ito gagawin natin. And then at the end of the conversation, parang wala tayong pinag-usapan. At uulitin na naman ng taong yon yung pagkakamali niya. This is not just about, SAS and Joey or Maharlika. It happens to all of us. It happens to our people. It happens to our family na matigas sa ulo. It happens to our dad, our mom, our lola, our son. So, it happens. This is human relationship that we're talking about. It is human intelligence in the making with the ego on it. So, you have to accept, you have to dissect the human anatomy na ano ang purpose ng ego, ano yung purpose ng intelligence, what makes a person intelligent, what makes a person open up his mind, what makes a person a close-minded mind. So, yan yun, no? We don't expect all the people in the world to be intelligent and to be wise and at matanggal yung ego. My God, almost all people in this earth are so egoistic. Siguro 99.9 are so egoistic. Only few people can level down na and be humble and to accept the mistakes that they made. Bihirang-bihira yan. So, that's why I have to make this blog to make people realize na hindi mahirap kalabanin ng sarili nating utak. Ang kalaban natin, sarili natin. Hindi yung ibang tao, hindi ibang bansa, hindi Iraq, hindi China. Ang kalaban natin, sarili natin. Okay? Your greatest battle is your own self. You have to control your mind. You have to control your ego. You have to listen. You have to open up. You have to open up. So I think that's the use of this problem. The moral lesson, that's why I have to do this blog, is to contribute and for people to be aware. And tama naman si Sas. By bringing out the dirt in public, can it solve anything? Tama yung question niya. Tapos sabi naman ni Joey, Well, sinabi ko nga wag ilagay sa public eh. Pero Maharlika did it eh. So I have to do something about it. Lalabas ko rin sarili ko. Na kailan pigilan ko siya. So, wala. Di parang palengke na yan. Non-stop cycle na magsalita yung isa, magsalita yung isa, magsalita yung isa, magsalita yung isa. So, in general, the country is suffering. Nagsasuffer na nga because of the bad management of the government. And tapos sila nag-aaway. Di ba? It's really bad. It's really bad. Kaya nga sabi ko nga in my other blog, no, if ako kay Sara, to unify the country, do not run for 2028. Endorse mo na lang si Vico Soto, si Isko Moreno and Vico Soto would make a great tandem because they are not divisive. They are not, hindi sila polarized, no? We need a leader like that. Hindi yung away ng away, punyeta. Di ba? Away kayo ng away, butatak kayo ng butatak. Pero kami, as a public, nakikita nyo ba kami? Naghihirap kami? Wala kami mabentahan sa real estate, wala kami paupahan. Yung mga tao, wala ng pera pamalengke. Marami nang na-addict sa shabu, may gera pa nangyayari sa Israel. Tumataas ang COVID, tumataas ang HIV, tumataas ang monkeypox. Disaster after disaster, may baha, may sumasabog na bulkan. Ano pag gusto nyo? Nakapokus kami sa putang inang buhay nyo? Di ba? You don't even talk about what's the solution to this freaking problem. The economic problems of the Philippines. How can we improve it? Ang putang ina pinag-uusapan nyo, impeachment? Di ba? Oh my God. Yun lang. I just have to express myself, no? I know I haven't made a blog for so long because I'm too busy with my business. You know, I'm setting up another team in real estate. Then I open up my own vinyl store. So I'm selling my records, and then so I'm busy with that because I'm busy researching and, you know, stocking up new vinyls. Even though marami pa akong vinyls, bumibili ako para mas marami pa ako mabenta. So that's it, no? I hope you learned something in this blog. Ako, I don't know if you agree with me. Para bang we're going to the doldrums. Pupulutin tayo sa kangkungan nito. Kung ganito nangyayari sa buhay natin. Ang dami problema, and yet sila nag-aaway. Ano feeling nyo, kayo yung mundo? Di ba? Joey, ikaw yung mundo? Maharlika, ikaw ba yung mundo? Yung Princess Maui, si Banat pa, ano feeling nyo, kayo mundo namin? Hindi kayo mundo namin. Taka-inform na kayo dapat. Ang feeling nyo, putang ina, kayo yung Diyos namin. Hindi kayo Diyos. Okay? Kayo nag-aaway, mga bullshit kayo. Diba? So we need some new leaders, we need some new bloggers. These are all bullshits already existing. Oh. Kung si Lisa Marcos nagpapumapalakpak na dahil putang ina, bobo kayo lahat, tanga kayo eh, 'di ba? Oh. So that's it. Sorry for my bad words, wala akong magagawa.